Hey guys, it's Dee here. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video is going to be a get to know me questions video, as you can see by the title below. I have filmed this video already once and something just happened and everything just crashed and now I've lost the entire video. So round two. Okay, so let's just get started. I've got the questions like full ready because round two makes you get prepared. So yeah. So the first question is, where were you born? So I was born here in Sydney, Australia. Second question is, what is your background? So I am Fijian Indian. My parents were born in Fiji and raised in Fiji and then moved here and started working, and yeah. So the third question is, when is your birthday and what is your star sign? So my birthday is on the 17th of July in 1997 and my star sign is Cancer. Fourth question is, how old are you? I am 22 years old, turning 23. The fifth question is, are you single? Yes, I am. Full stop. There we go. Also, I apologize that the light is like going in and out right now. It's like the first time that I filmed this today, the sun was so perfect. Like I was just glowing and looking good, but now it's just gone bad. Sixth question is, what are your hobbies? So my first one is photography. I love taking photos. I am in no way a professional, like at all. Obviously, if you've seen my Instagram, which I will link down below, I have a photography page. But yeah, I just do it for fun, honestly, and I really just enjoy capturing moments and like bringing out the candid moments rather than the actual like posed and like, elegant postured poses. I don't know, but yeah. The second one is YouTube. Obviously, I love editing and like bringing out different sorts of styles and colors, and yeah, I just really enjoy like capturing a moment that I can look back onto and that other people can look back onto. I feel like videos give a lot more away than photos, and it's a great way to get to know someone. And the third hobby that I have is makeup. I love experimenting with makeup. I had really bad cystic acne at one point, and so now I've got acne scarring and I'm still like trying to figure out, the perfect shade of foundation. Like 22 years in, I'm still trying to find a perfect foundation because everything can look different in videos and in like photos. So yeah, in real life it's a struggle. It's hard to like make things actually match properly, and people who have that talent to do that's just amazing. But yeah, I'm still trying to do that. I have terrible hyperpigmentation, so yeah, the struggle is real, guys. So the seventh question is, what course do I do? So at the moment I am doing a Bachelor of Medical Science. I am majoring in biomedical science. So it sounds super like smart and fancy, but if you're not a fan of science, please don't do it. Just don't. The next question is, what are your goals? So this year, I don't really have resolutions like at the start of the year. You know how people have New Year's resolutions? I don't really do that because I feel like I pressure myself too much and I stress too much to actually make them happen. But in saying that, I do really want to connect with my creative side this year and really bring that out. I want to do more YouTube videos. I want to take more photos, and I have, opportunities coming up that I'm definitely going to be taking on this year and just going for it, honestly. And look at that, the sun's back out. Yay! Good sign. So the next question is, which is very relatable in this video, is why YouTube? So again, I am just someone who's always been creative, like from the get-go. Like since I was young, I've just always like related every situation that I'm in with something creative. And let me know in the comments down below, but has anyone ever played Mr. Squiggle? Because if you haven't, like what, why not? But yeah, whenever me and my friends used to play Mr. Squiggle, I was always the creative freak. Like, you just give me anything and I will make something up out of it. Like, it was just one of those things. And yeah, I love editing videos, I love taking photos, I love making something different out of a surface, like just anything. The next question is, what is your favorite food? So my favorite type of food would have to be Thai food. Anytime anyone asks me this question, straight up Thai food and Indian food. The four things that I can name that I would definitely order if I went to a Thai restaurant would be Thai fried rice, chicken one. The second one would be Penang curry. Third one would be red curry, and fourth one would be yellow curry. Just coconut milk. Yum. Okay, so the next question is fave genre. So I really love action and comedy. So like Transformers, Avengers, like Fast and Furious. I love, love, love. And the second one would have to be rom-com, definitely. So relating to that question, the next one is Hollywood or Bollywood. There is a meme going around at the moment about the ratio of like Western and Indian, like what ratio you are. I am so like Bollywood, like extreme Bollywood fan. Like Bollywood movies, Bollywood songs, Bollywood TV shows, anything Bollywood, that's me. Hollywood, I don't know anything at all. Like songs, I don't know. You won't ever see me go to an event where I'm singing to some song that everyone's rocking to. I don't get raps, I don't understand. I'm like so old school, but yeah. Next question is, do I have any siblings? I do. I have one younger sister. She is at the moment 19 and she's got a very interesting birthday. Her birthday is on the 1st of the 1st, 2001, like 111. Next question is, who am I? It's a very deep question, guys. So I would probably say, to answer this question, I'm very family orientated. I spend a lot of my time with my family. I go to places with my family, you know, like holidays and stuff. I spend a lot of time with them. I've just always been like that. Like I've been brought up in a family where we're all very, very close. So yeah. Another thing would be, I would say, this is for me and my sister as well. Like we're very bubbly. Like we giggle at everything. Like anyone that you talk to about us, they will be like, yeah, they're always smiling or they're always laughing. Like, I don't know, we can be serious, but it's just like we take the good from the moments. Like, and if you ever see us hold a grudge, there's a real like deep reason behind it. And the next thing would be, I'm definitely like, I feel like people can specifically point out if they're an introvert or an extrovert, but I would say I'm like in between. Like I definitely love staying at home, but I do have these moments where I'm just like, I really want to go and do that, like just go out and go and explore and stuff like that. So yeah. The last question is one that I'm going to leave you guys hanging on. It is an upcoming projects question, so it's definitely going to be a challenge because it is something that I don't do at all. But yeah, I'm super excited and I cannot wait to have you guys see that. It'll be up on my Instagram, so stay tuned, and I will probably be vlogging it as well. I won't be vlogging the actual project because I don't want to give anything away, but I'll be vlogging the day and probably just showing you how, you know, my makeup and hair turns out and my outfit and stuff like that. So I'm super excited for that. But yeah, on that note, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys got to know me a little bit more better. Also guys, if you have any sort of like criticism, in a good way obviously, if you have any bad ones, please just stay away from my channel. If you have any good feedback, any good criticism, any sort of ideas for like upcoming videos that I could do, let me know, because I've had a few people message me and be like, hey, you should try this out, or you should do this in your videos, or you should bring this out more, or you should like someone gave me a very simple one the other day and I was just like, oh yeah, like I need to do that. So yeah, I really appreciate if you guys just let me know stuff and comment down below if you can relate to anything, or like if there's something that you want to see more of. But yeah, otherwise just hit me up on my Instagram. I'll link that down below as well, and I'll put my photography page down below as well. So just yeah, see how you guys go, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye. Just, you know, let me know below. No, you know, 1st of the 1st of the 2001. So we all know who the favorite is.